kind of dark.
Hello everybody, today it's a beautiful day. And today we want to make a potato pancake. I got over here already, I peel off the potato, clean up good. I got a fried potato. You gotta use eggs. I got a flour, onion, salt, black pepper, what do you call it, this? Chives. And I got the sour cream. And now for start, we start with the potato. And I want to start to shred the potato over here. But watch your finger when you do this, okay? It takes a little time, but it's easy.
Oh, Eva, she's watching you.
Eva? Who's Eva Kubia?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, Eva. The pizza's really good. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, I don't want to do no more.
Chef Mike, say hi.
Hello, Mike. Chef Mike. Cuoco Mike, chef.
Say hello to Stacy.
Hello, Stacy.
You have a lot of people say hello.
Hello. Today it's a beautiful day. I'm so happy. Okay, rain is every single day rain over here. And today, at least it's beautiful. Okay, almost done with this. Almost, a little more. Okay, it's
Well, we do have it, the Moulin grater, but he didn't want to use it today.
No, I don't want to use. My wife, she say you gotta do like Poland. You gotta do like this with this. But I also want to use the Molinex.
Next time.
Okay, now I got an onion.
Yeah, it's golden Yukon, yes.
And we do the onion really more shred small.
Aram said rain is good for the garden, but we have too much rain.
Yeah, but it's too much rain. The water and the cold not to grow right. Everything grows really small. The heat, I need the heat. Okay, it's enough. All right, now what I do, I clean inside.
No, this is raw potatoes.
And I do the onion over here. Okay, now let me wash this my hand over here. Okay. Now I got this bowl. Take this dish out. Now this, it gotta be squeezed a little bit, you gotta take the water out. And I put on this bowl over here. Look how beautiful this potato, beautiful color. All right, and now we squeeze it a little bit.
Yeah, golden Yukon, yes.
You know, I know everybody, you know, I was washing my hand already, but I want to do like this. I put this right over here, okay? And let me do the chef way, the cook way.
Hello from Egypt.
Okay, look this. Look the water come out. Okay, put one over here. Squeeze another one. Okay, you want to squeeze it with a little spoon like this. It take maybe all day long. And this is the easy way to squeeze. Look at that. Put over here.
The Chris is 17 years old today. Can you say happy birthday?
Happy birthday, happy 17, Chris. Okay, now I take this, I put in the sink, I throw away the water, everything, the wash. Good. Good.
Yeah, you can do it with squeeze with towel too, yes. Or cheesecloth, yes. Good.
All right. Now I put it back and this ball over here again. All right. Now I want to put a little salt. It's enough.
No, it's raw potatoes.
Black pepper. Okay, here we got it. I got eggs. One. Two. And now we start the mix.
Yeah, you did plant the garden. You'd plant already. But it's...
I planted the tomato, but not it come out right.
Well, somebody make you bagel. They come out really good.
Good, good. Okay, now I got over here the flour. I got 2 tablespoons of flour. Good. And we mix.
It's 5 potatoes. No, just from the store. We don't have chickens. I wish.
Yeah, we no got no chicken. All right.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Now we go on the stove. The stove with the pots we put on already. And we started with the oil.
Well, you need to go on his website and then click on a shop list. It's posted.
Okay. All right. Now we leave warm up the oil. Nice.
Yeah, you can do with mashed potatoes too. Yes. will be different little test, but you can do it.
Okay, now let's see now.
Can you make pierogi next time?
Yes, we'll make a pierogi. I like a pierogi.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yes. Hello, Aldo.
Aldo, bonjour. Ça va la France? La France c'est chaud. Ici fait froid. Aujourd'hui c'est très bien.
Bernadette from France, she said bonjour.
Hello Bernadette, bonjour de la France. Okay, that big it's enough.
Thanks.
Okay, we load the gas. Okay, you don't want to be burned. Okay, it's good. And we put like this over here.
He's using the olive oil.
And we squeeze a little bit. We make a little bit flat. All right?
Have to make pierogi.
I'll fry one more.
Yeah, I make pierogi, Aram. Yes, you're right. I think you can use any pateros you like. We like actually we like the best of the golden Yukon pateros.
Okay, now this, it gotta be really slow to cook. But I also want to do little chin chin, but it's too early. You know, I don't want to start the little chin chin. But I want to say to everybody, happy, beautiful day today. I hope everybody right, everybody do good. And I hope this corona get out of here. I hope so. I don't want to stay too long. I want to go. I want to go in Italy, but nothing can do.
Little bit too
It's
light.
okay. I'll turn it again.
Kathy, she say never too early do chin chin.
It look nice.
Ah, Louise, she's making ricotta spinach gnocchi today.
Oh, yes, yes. I was making a ricotta, the gnocchi spinach. It was really good. Now we make a nice, beautiful color on the other side. Yeah, I want to show everybody what it look like. It's easy to make. The only thing you gotta shred the potato. That's all. You mix and done.
Pierogi, pierogi. Everybody asks.
Okay, we gotta make a pierogi. We pierogi.
Diane, she said, I want to go with you to Italy.
Yes, maybe we make a trip. Everybody would. I told you the truth. I'll go every place after we go stay in my city. On top of the mountain, nobody bother. Everybody nice over there. Nice fresh air, everything.
Can you say happy birthday to Jacob? He's 19 today.
Happy birthday, Checo.
Jacob.
Huh?
Jacob.
Checo, happy birthday, 19. No chin chin here, right? Huh? What are you looking now?
Yeah, gotta be nice, beautiful, golden.
Huh?
Yeah. No, it's raw potatoes.
They look nice. Okay, what do you think, maybe? Let me get a little bit of wine. I gotta eat one of the potatoes. Let me get a little wine.
Yeah, I know this, Christine. We need to shred it, but it takes too long to do it.
Awesome. You want a more shred?
No, because normally you do like I told you the other one.
Yeah.
But it's too long will take to do it. Maybe she make vegetable lasagna. It was delicious. Good, thank you.
Okay, now we load the flame and we put this on a paper towel. Okay. And we go over here on the table, over here. All right, I got my little wine. Okay, now let me take one.
Dzień dobry.
Take one over here. I put a little
Sour cream.
sour cream. I'll spread a little bit like this. Okay, good. And we put a little chives on the top. Okay. Now let's taste this. Nice crunchy the potato. It's so good. Yeah. Really good. I want to say to everybody, you have a beautiful day. E salute cin cin. E happy birthday. Today the people have the birthday. Happy birthday for me, to everybody. E salute cin cin. And we see you next time. And thank you very much for your support and for your star. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you. Salute. Cin cin.